Oh, there's a ghost somewhere. Where is he? Oh, it's just a hand. He wants to test the headphones so it's really so he can watch YouTube. But he's watching. What is he watching? What are you watching? Oversimplified is a really good way of some of the histories of some of the big wars. I have to say, Oversimplified is pretty good. So that's what he wants to test the headphones on. Hi, Achy Dad here. I got these headphones free to test, so I'm going to test them. What are they? The JeeCoo J50 stereo gaming headset. Clear microphone, folding, lightweight, portable. They have adjustments right there. Let's see. I don't know what that is. Doesn't seem to work. First and foremost, how do they feel?
Good, except I would think they should be a little more tight for me.
Yeah,
like that.
They're for adults. So I don't see if this does anything, does it? Is that fake? That's not cool. Oh my god. Look at my hands from mowing the lawn. Ah! And cleaning the underside of the lawnmower of all that goopy grass. Sorry about that. So this is the only expansion, but not up here. That might work better. What do you think, though?
It's like a... Doesn't have... It's good, but also not.
Is it less good than these, you think? Sound?
I mean, I'd say they're about the same.
Because I thought this was these were a little deeper, but I think it may be because of the venting. Is there venting here? There's a little venting there. There's more there. How do they feel? Comfy? And I don't know about this, is a little bit.
It's comfy. It's comfy.
Yeah.
It's...
You just want to watch more YouTube though now, don't you? Try this one. Hit pause.
These are good.
So these are Logitech G432s, like kind of name brand. I definitely like this better. How's the sound though? How's the sound?
It's good. It's like its sound is a lot less, like, it's a lot less. I noticed other ones were like more, like, sometimes I've noticed with this one, that sometimes the voice sounds scratchy.
In this one?
A tiny bit.
Interesting. Interesting. All right, how about this one? Experian.
It's the same, but like I like, and yeah. So this is the one that I most prefer.
The sound, or just you're used to the feeling?
I mean, the sound and the feeling. I'm not sure I'd agree about the feeling, but...
Okay. They're very soft. They go over my ears. This, on the outside, is that new, not super shiny stuff. It kind of feels soft, too. The whole thing is soft and comfortable. This feels weird, because it's just a piece of foldable wire, but it does always come back where I need it to be, so that's good. So far, they haven't given me a headache or anything, and the sound seems to be pretty good on the bass. I've compared it to what is that? Experian. And let's try my kind of default Logitech one I got on sale. All right, so this is the Logitech, I'm looking on the screen, G432. Surround sound DTS, flipped to mute mic. That's nice. This feels a lot, solider. It's twice the cost. I think it'll last longer, but it sounds the same. If anything, the other one has a little more bass to it. This is kind of, like I said, more durable. I think in the long term and more adjustable and looser. But is it twice as good? I don't know. All right, so we're back to the JeeCoos. I wonder if that's how it's pronounced. They're pretty impressive for the price, I have to say. I think the main thing, there are tons of these, and I mean tons from China of brands you're not sure of. Like this one.
Let us know if we're pronouncing the whatever it's called, the name in the comments.
Oh, my son is pointing out if we're pronouncing it right. Let us know in the comments. So there's, billions of these headphones, 20 to 25 to 35 to 45 and up dollars. They all feel a little different. They sound a little different. They're probably using the same components, but like either a little bit more air venting or who knows. So I think the main thing is to order these, try them on, and give them a fair shake. And if you don't like them, return them. So far, these are soft and nice and seem worth the price. And I appreciate being sent them to test them. So everybody stay sounding off out there.